Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shri Mahavir International School. Today I will introduce you your first chapter, that is about me. That means myself. You are learning myself from your LKG, HKG class. You write 5 lines, 10 lines about yourself, whatever you know about yourself. Okay, so about me, whenever you go to any new place, uh, to your neighborhood, to a new school, to market, anybody new meet you, they will ask you certain questions like, what's your name, uh, what's your father's name, what's your mother's name, and where you live, and these kind of question. So you have to introduce yourselves wherever you go to a new place. So you should know certain lines or sentences about yourself. You should have to speak out them properly and write properly whenever question arises about that. So let us discuss about the chapter. First line, hello. Whenever you meet somebody, you say hello. That is the greeting. Okay, whenever we meet somebody, we say hello. My name is, you have to write down your full name. First your name, then your surname. I study in class. Whichever class you are studying, like you will write down first. I am dash years old, and you have to write down your age. Okay, let me tell you more about myself. Means when you want to speak out more about yourself, or you want to show anybody, or you want to make a diary about yourself, you will introduce it like, I look like this when I was a baby. You will stick one photograph of yourself when you are born. Okay, you are so small. And second, you will paste photograph of your present. Next line, yes, I am a big girl or boy now. That means you have to write down your gender. If you are girl, you will write down girl. If you are boy, you will write down boy. Let me tell you more about myself. That means you want to explore the things about yourself, what you like or what you don't like, or what you love to do, and this like type of things, where you live. So first is name of the city. That means you have to write down where you live, in which city you are living. My mother's name is. Always start writing your mother's name by initiating it with Mrs. Okay, because she is married and she will have her initial Mrs. dash dash. Means whatever your mother's name, you will write down. My father's name is, and you should start your father's name with Mr. Okay, Mr. So and so. The color of my eyes is, many children have their eyes black, but several of you children have their eyes color as brown. Okay, so they will write down brown or black, whatever your eyes color is there, you will write down. The color of my hair is, it's also up to you what's your hair color is. Okay, it's brown or black. I have many friends. All the children have many friends because children love to play different kind of games, so they make friends. We study in the same class, but all of us do not look the same. But what happens, everybody like to play the game, and everybody in the friend circle have different liking and disliking, but they don't look like each other. Gurmeet has long hair. One friend of any children whose name is Gurmeet has long hair. Okay, some have short hair, some have long hair. So the child is saying that Gurmeet has long hair because he is introducing his friend who is Gurmeet and has long hair, and he wears a turban. Turban is mostly worn by the Punjabi people. Okay, so his friend may be a Punjabi boy. Minnie has curly hair, and Minnie is a girl who is a friend of the child and who has a curly hair. Rohit has blue eyes, and one of his friend is Rohit, whose eyes were blue in color. Akram is very tall, and he is saying that one of his friend who is Akram is very tall. Some of children were so short, and some are tall. So Akram is tall, big. We are all different from each other. Everybody has a different features, okay, different body, different personality. Everybody is unique, okay, in their own way. We also like doing different things, and also everybody has a different type of living. They like to play different kind of games, they like to read different kind of books, they like to have different kind of things. Okay, so these are the things I like. The boy is saying that he like to have different type of things. I like to play. Here you have to write down your liking. What play you like, what games you are liking to play with your friends. You will write down their name, like football, cricket, badminton, chess, ludo, whatever game you are liking. You will write down their name. I like to eat. And what is your favorite food? You will write down. I like to eat vegetables, dal, chapati, um, or curd, ice cream, whatever you like to eat. My favorite fruit is, mostly the children were loving the mango, that is the king of fruit. But you will write down your favorite fruit, whatever you like. You will write down fruit name. I like to wear, and whatever your favorite dress is, you will write down that name of the dress. My favorite cartoon show is, like some students will say Doraemon, Mickey Mouse, or Tom and Jerry, Chota Beam. Okay, so you will write down your favorite cartoon show, whatever you like. My favorite book is, if you love to read any kind of book, the story book or anything, you will write down your favorite book name, whatever is your favorite book. When I'm not study, I like to. When you are not studying, what you like to do, you will write down in this blank. So after completing this chapter, what you will do, you first go to nearer to your mirror, and then try to speak out 10-15 lines about yourself, thinking that you are meeting a new person and who is very curious to know about yourself. So you will introduce it, and then you will write down in your notebook 10 or 15 lines about yourself. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.